Make a great choice today with the 2019 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, rear spoiler, brake assist. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.